Tonight, Governor Kemp is defending his administration's new lawsuit against the city of Atlanta for enacting new restrictions and mask requirements as COVID-19 cases have jumped in recent days. 11 Alive's Doug Richards was with Governor Kemp when he talked about it today.
Governor Kemp says the city of Atlanta's new guidelines are too restrictive, and he says they are unnecessary because he says Georgians can be trusted to do the right thing. This came as the number of positive COVID-19 tests spiked, along with the number of hospitalizations in Georgia. The governor's restrictions still allow bars to open, allow restaurant dining rooms to operate with social distancing restrictions. Atlanta's guidelines call for restaurants to close their dining rooms, among other things. When we asked Kemp about his priorities, he answered with a theory as to why COVID cases have risen in Georgia.
We were open for 2 months before this latest rise, and if you look at when it started, I think there's several reasons for that. Number one was the demonstrations. Number two, because of the demonstrations, that sent a message to people that, hey, it's all right to get out again, we can let our guard down, we got this thing beat, and I think we're all guilty of that. This is about the lives and livelihoods of all Georgians.
But state health officials told us this month that they cannot tie new COVID cases to the demonstrations.
I don't think the facts back that up yet.
I think that he is putting politics over people.
Mayor Bottoms says she suspects Kemp's lawsuit was influenced by his meeting Wednesday with President Trump, who has also been critical of demonstrators and has also called for fewer restrictions on businesses.
The notion that we are somehow interfering with businesses or people's right to work is simply baseless and a waste of taxpayer money.
Kemp says the city of Atlanta would not need to expand its COVID guidelines if it would simply enforce the statewide order issued by the governor's office. But that would have included city police enforcing social distancing guidelines during demonstrations, something that state police were mostly unwilling to do.